Wow, this new BetaFPV drone is so much fun to fly. But the video you saw have been shot on Insta360 Go camera. And now let's look at the video from the new DJI Nebula on this new BetaFPV micro drone. As a lot of people are complaining about the Nebula video quality, and I can see the reason. Video is definitely very blurry and low resolution. It does not even look like a 720p HD video, like it supposedly should be according to the specifications. I can notice a pretty high amount of jello too. And the dynamic range, again, terrible. I can't see really anything against the sun. The video quality is simply so bad. It is horrible. Oh, and I think I'm being kicked out of this place. So new BetaFPV 95X is a super loud micro drone. Like it's even louder than most of my 3-inch Cinewhoop models. So even the drone is so tiny, it attracts quite some unnecessary attention. Luckily I got the shots, and I know even a better place to test the camera in lower light conditions, flying in forest. And if you thought the last video was horrible, well, this is just ridiculous now. Maybe even worse than analog. I mean, Nebula camera is terrible in the perfect lighting conditions, and really pretty much unusable flying anywhere else. And I have seen several reviewers stating that the Nebula video quality is pretty bad. But none of these videos show anything like this or stated that it's a complete trash. So first I thought maybe my Nebula unit is simply broken. But then I got the second drone with the Nebula camera and exactly the same problems. It is clear that just like with all tech reviews, there are no actual reviews left on YouTube. Just promo videos showing great and good products, showing the best sides of every product, and never actually doing the job showing the truth and saving money and trouble for actual viewers, avoiding trash products like the Nebula camera. Here is a golden hour. Well, what should be looking as a golden hour. This Nebula video is already hurting me to watch. So let's switch to a golden hour on a regular old DJI Vista. It's like day and night difference. This is how flying inside the forest should look like with a DJI HD video. And this is exactly why people pay extra for DJI gear to be able to enjoy flying in HD. So Nebula is a complete deal breaker simply because of the video quality. I really did like flying this tiny new BetaFPV drone. This drone gives me extra confidence to fly much closer, to try much smaller gaps. It just makes me a better pilot. And I still would recommend this drone, even with all the negatives. But when you add the Nebula video quality, well, that's simply a deal breaker for me. Why would anyone pay so much for a DJI drone if they cannot fly with a DJI HD video? It simply makes no sense to me. Nebula video is maybe even worse than some analog stuff I have seen. The only silver lining in this video, that it is possible to buy a replacement Vista camera, so I will order a Vista camera to replace the Nebula, and I will update with the full Beta 95X V2 video. As this drone has been super fun to fly, it's just the camera that totally sucks. You can find all the details about my drones in the video description below, check the product links, hit that like button, subscribe for more videos, and I will see you in the next one.